Hey guys, welcome to Namatil. Today we'll be looking into the preparation of vermicelli kheer. Heat a pan and add a tablespoon of ghee. Lower the flame and add cashews. Fry it for a minute and add raisins. Saute until both raisins and cashews are fried well. Transfer it to a plate and keep it aside. Into the same pan add another tablespoon of ghee and add vermicelli. You can either take roasted or non-roasted vermicelli. Here I have taken non-roasted vermicelli, so I will be roasting it for 3 to 4 minutes or until the vermicelli turns light brown in color. If you are using roasted vermicelli, then better roast it for a minute or two. Once the vermicelli turns light brown, transfer it to a plate and keep it aside. Into the same pan add milk and allow it to boil. Keep stirring in between to make sure the milk doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan. Once the milk starts boiling, add roasted vermicelli and give it a good mix. Then add saffron, mix it well, cook it for 10 minutes or until vermicelli turns soft. Once the vermicelli is cooked well, add sugar and roasted dry fruits. Cook it for another 4 minutes. At the end, add cardamom powder, give it a good mix and switch off the flame. Delicious vermicelli kheer is ready to be served. Hope you all like the recipe. Thank you for watching.